sounds really crazy, but I woke up and my portfolio was at all-time high. Cryptos rocketing above, going really bullish, and when the stock market opened at 2 o'clock UK time, and guess what, it went even higher because AMD and Nvidia started running on full steroids. Wow, I've never seen so many numbers. I'm so close to that $1 million dream, and the 2025 retirement is starting to feel real. And if this goes on, I may even reach there beforehand. And what makes it even funnier is that the fact that we are in a bear market. I mean, why is my portfolio hitting all-time high? So when I look at my books, I go back referring, because I keep a lot of notes. I've got crypto farming notes, I've got option trading notes, I've got my YouTube notes, and I've got my journal, my stocks journal, and my investment crypto journal in here. And I'm trying to figure out, and I found 3 key things that really shines out on how I became successful. So first of all, it is all to stay, but staying focused. Like I said, keeping notes, stay focused, ignore the noise, focus on your game. There are loads of macroeconomics, there are loads of people in Discord talking about different variety of what scenarios can happen, but really it doesn't really affect you. It's all about your risk profile and your portfolio. You don't have to listen to other people's opinion, because at the end of the day, nobody has got a crystal ball. And just to add on top of it, it's all for me about the concentration portfolio. That's my game, concentration portfolio. I cannot be bothered to diversify. I cannot be bothered to just diversify to the point that it's going to be the same as an index fund or an ETF on ARK Invest. I'm not bothered because it takes so much time trying to manage everything and read 25 different news every single day. That's how all these YouTubers became million, because they had one stock that went to the moon. So coming to my next point, what's my concentration portfolio on my stock? Simple, I've just mentioned it. Nvidia, AMD, semiconductor. I wish I could buy Broadcom, Qualcomm, Taiwan Semiconductor, Intel. But remember, you and me, retail investors, we only got so limited cash, and we have to pick the best player. And for me, AMD and Nvidia are the best, because once focused on servers, upgrade, expansion, the cloud infrastructure, Nvidia, it's not just the best chip, but also the software AI layer on top. So buying the both, it feels like I'm buying the best tag team, the Scottie Pippen, the Michael Jordan of the lot. I like semiconductor. Not only that, but during the scarcity run during COVID, 2020, 2021, not enough chips. Factories are being built. And now we come to a point where with the world global shortage and the war going on, the demand grows higher. We want more electric cars. We want more smart computing. We want more AI power. The pharmaceutical industry wants to go more organic with data harvesting. This is just going to go crazy. It's going to explode. Apple, Microsoft want cloud computing, metaverse going on. It is not enough. AMD, Nvidia, Intel, even combined, is not enough to supply the whole world. And I think there will be a huge squeeze on the upwards. And the last one that I want to share with you guys, and most of you are family investors, don't laugh. Don't laugh, don't laugh. It's all about the crypto game, okay? I really want to share that the crypto game is real. It took me 9 years for my stocks portfolio to go from 0 to 6 figure, $100,000. And that hit during end of 2019. I shared a video in 2020 March that my stocks were all-time high, celebrating, and then COVID came and crashed. But crypto, from 0 to 100,000, it took me 9 months. 9 months, it happened just a couple of months ago last year. And now it's running so fast. When you hit the first 100,000, the next couple 100,000, it becomes easier because the games keep rolling on. And again, we are in a bear market. I'm not even feeling bullish just now. I'm actually accumulating for that halving event of Bitcoin in 2024. That's when Bitcoin will hit 100, 200,000, and that's when the game will change. Now we are actually in a crypto winter. We're accumulating, we're farming. So crypto, you have to take your time. I've been studying crypto for at least 6 months, 5-6 hours every single day. Folks who follow me on Twitter knows that I've been just speaking about crypto. I've lost friends. People think I'm crazy. Nobody wants to speak to me because I'm just in the crypto game. The only folks in the crypto lingo understand what I say these days. I'm actually losing the plot. So if you're asking me quickly, I hope to share more crypto videos with you in future. But just keep it short, I only invest in the Luna, Ethereum, AVAX, Phantom, and I've just recently entered the Glamour tokens and also Atom. All bullish. Why? Because it's only less than 1 billion people holding crypto wallets in the world today, and there are 9 billion people on the planet. And with the Ukraine and Russia situation where people cannot store their own currency value, where people's wealth just vanish because of a crisis, Bitcoin seems to be the safe haven to put your money in. And when Bitcoin becomes a safe haven, every coins underneath them on the layer 1 becomes the same effect, and it will just grow on the adoption cycle. So this is me sharing my vision on hitting all-time high on the bear market. I want to celebrate, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to focus on the game because it's only beginning. And I hope it inspires you guys to also focus on your game.
I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out our website link below. More videos up here.
Bye.
Bye.